Name is Anand Vijay. Today we start the new chapter in this video lecture from class 7, and the chapter name is Advanced Features of Excel. In this chapter we have focused on to the chart. One of the best components of Excel is chart. What is chart? Chart is an effective way to display the data in the pictorial format. Whatever data we have seen onto the Excel sheet, if we were to place in the pictorial format, the better option is chart. We can place all the value onto the chart, and chart provide the accurate analysis of information. Student, we work onto the chart. How we place the chart? We move to the insert tab. There is the chart option. That chart will be applied over whatever the data onto the Excel sheet that place onto the chart. Students, we are focused onto the chart. So there is the lots of component regarding the chart. We have focused onto the each component. First one is that is the chart area. Chart area include all the object and element in a chart. Whatever you have prepared the chart of any salary slip or a result analysis, what the student name, roll number, class and sections and their subject marks all are placed onto the chart area. That includes all the different role, name, class and section, all the object. Category axis is the x-axis. This one is the category axis, and value axis, this one is the value axis. Okay, the data set is related to the set of data value, whatever the value that are represent in the this one, the data set. This one is called data set. The wrong long vertical bars is display data set. Axis title, these are the heading given to the x-axis and the y-axis. We have given the heading style here that x-axis and y-axis is whatever the axis chart. You have find out the 5, here the marks, that is the axis titles. Next one is the plot area. What is the plot? The plot area window within the chart area. It contains the actual chart and include the plotted data, series, category and value axis. We have focus onto the 6. This one is the complete plot area. This one is the complete plot area where all things are related. Actual chart will be related, your value will be related, your data series will be related. Next one is the legend. It depicts the color pattern and the symbols assigned on the data sheet. You have find out the 7. This one is the legend. This one is the Arisha, Vinur, Monica, Aman, or whatever the name for the, these are the legend. Next one you have find out the chart title. It describes the aim and contents of the chart. You find out this one is the chart title option. And the next one, grid line. This can either be the horizontal or the vertical line depending upon the selected chart. Whatever you have chart, select this which kind of chart, it display the grid line. So you have find out here the 9. This one is the grid line. Okay. So overall the basic components of the chart you have know about that. Chart area, category axis, value axis, data set, axis title, plot area, listen, chart title and grid line. These all are different kinds of chart that display the different parts of chart. Now which kind of chart we have commonly used? Like a column chart, that is a simple kind of vertical bar chart. It display the data in the horizontal and the vertical axis. Next one is the bar chart, that is chart display the data in the form of long rectangular rod, also called bar. This one is the bar. It also represent data in this types of chart. Category are represented on the vertical axis and the value are represented on the horizontal axis. The value is placed on this side and the category is placed on the this side. Next one is the line chart. We have also used that represent on the x and y axis for the plotting all the data. And the pie chart is also we can use to display that kind of data that are placed on the circular manner. And next one is the dot dot chart. This chart will show the relation of the part of to the whole. It is display the data in the forms of rings where each ring present a data set added into the chart. All the data is shown in the ring format. A particular section are defined to the each chart, each fields of the chart, and that complete the section make a ring format. Unlike a pie chart, dot chart represents more than one data set. Where the pie chart represents the one series of the data, it can be represent the different series of data. We can show in the next video lecture how we create the chart in the practical manner and apply the different sections of the chart. Like we start with the uh, which one column chart, then we move to the implement all the bar chart, line chart, pie chart, different kinds of chart related value. We can implement it by using the next topic, creating a chart. Thank you and have a good day, student.